Hello and welcome back to Lift Tours. In this video, we'll be taking a mini tour lift of the Platan shopping center in Zabrze, Poland. So let's take it the first. Here we have the first lift, which is a main Schindler 3300 elevator. These lifts go to ground floor and then floor 1. This is a very amazing lift. Let's ride it. These are the lifts at the Platan shopping center in Zabrze, Poland. Cat view. Hello.
Piętro pierwsze.
Here we had one. We're gonna go back to ground. These are Schindler 3300 elevators. 2018, 1,125 kilograms, 15 people. These are awesome Schindler. Security camera. Here we have back on one.
Piętro pierwsze.
Now let's make it down, and we're gonna go back down and up, and I'm gonna end the video here. These are awesome Schindler. Something's locked on there. I don't know.
Piętro zero.
Let's go back to one, and then I'm gonna end the video here. Very nice Schindlers. Back at one, and
Piętro pierwsze.
I'm gonna end the video here. And that's about it. And now on the resort, which has a Schindler 3300 elevator. These lifts go to ground floor, which is floor 0, to floor 1. Let's ride it. These next elevators are reserved. This is a tiny lift. Hello. These are the reserved lifts. I'm gonna make a lift tour of the Platan shopping center.
Piętro zero.
2018, 675 kilograms, 9 people. These are awesome Schindlers. Another 3300 elevators. I like that vinyl cab. It makes it so nice.
Piętro pierwsze.
Moving on to the next lift. And now on the parking elevators, which is a Schindler 3300 elevator. These lifts go to the ground floor, then floor 05, then floor 1. Let's ride it. And now these are the parking lifts. Ground. Same cab as before, except with 2 mirrors now. 2017, 1,125 kilograms, 15 people. Yes, they're a little busy because it's Saturday. Here we are at 1 and then we're gonna go back to ground. But these doors need some work. Like seriously. Awful sounding. Here we are at ground. Before we end the video, let's make the up chime. And then I'm gonna send this lift back to 1. Actually, let's go back to 1, and then I'm gonna end the video here. That will be the easiest option. Here we are at 1. Let's send this lift back to ground. And that's about it. And that is the end of the lift, so thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.